Self-contained frozen dessert maker that does not require pre-freezing. Makes ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet. Stainless steel housing. Reliable built-in audible timer. 2.1 quart, 2-liter capacity. -0.4 F to -31 F cooling temperature. BPA-free stainless steel removable mixing bowl and churn blade for easy storage and effortless cleaning. LCD timer control. Motor protection function that shuts off to prevent damage if the mixture freezes solid. Make delicious homemade ice cream that you can fully customize to taste with the Whynter ICM-201SB 2.1 quart upright ice cream maker. Incredibly easy to use, you can create delicious ice cream, rich creamy gelato and sorbet all in the comfort of your own home. Designed with an upright, small footprint profile, this space-efficient ice cream maker fits easily on any countertop. Comes with a removable stainless steel mixing bowl and BPA-free churn blade. The unit can be operated in 3 convenient modes: ice cream mode, cooling only mode and mixing only mode. Also, if you need to add your favorite fruits for flavor, or check the consistency of your ice cream, you can simply use the pause button to pause the cycle. It features a sleek stainless steel exterior and soft-touch LCD control panel that will accent any kitchen counter. Upon completion of the cycle, the Whynter ICM-201SB prevents the mixture from melting and a motor protection function that stops the motor from churning to prevent overheating or damage to the motor when the mixture becomes solid. It also features a built-in powerful compressor freezer that allows for continuous use without the inconvenience of having to pre-freeze the mixing bowl. Not only is it so much easier, it also tastes a whole lot better. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. I've long wanted an ice cream maker that has its own refrigeration. Finding room in the freezer for a freezer bowl far enough in advance before an intended use meant that I was not making ice cream very often with my Cuisinart. When I saw that a quart-size automatic unit was available, I went for it. 1 quart is perfect size as I usually buy ice cream by the pint for variety. One concern was storage, but its footprint is not that much larger than my Cuisinart. I am amazed at the difference this Whynter has made in my favorite recipes by incorporating air into the sorbets and ice creams, making amazing texture. I do need to reduce the volume one start with in some recipes to prevent overflowing as it freezes. The machine shuts off when it can't churn, leaving the ice cream like a soft serve, perhaps a little softer than the Cuisinart. Using the plastic scoop that comes with it, it's easy to transfer to a container to harden up in the freezer. It remains scoop-able after days, unlike the same recipe was in the Cuisinart. I love being able to make several ice creams in a row to combine flavors. All in all, it's a great investment.